Hi and welcome to Lesson 3 of Product Filters for WooCommerce, configuring individual filter elements. In this video, I will show you how to configure individual filter elements in WooCommerce product filters. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Filters. Now, edit a filter. Here you will see a filter editor with two panels. On the left, you have a list of elements, and on the right, you can configure their settings. To add a new filter, click on the Add Element button. A list of filter types will appear. For example, you can choose List or Price slider. Let's configure the basic settings on the right panel. In the title field, give your filter a name like Price Range. For the URL format, choose how the price range appears on the URL, parameters through dash, or two parameters. The URL key is the keyword that will appear in the URL when a filter is applied. Once the settings are added, click on the Apply button. Let's add another element. Click on the Add Element button. Now, let's add a checkbox list. Give a title to your checkbox and enter a URL-friendly version of your title. Query type. Choose how multiple filters will work together. And means all conditions must match, while or means at least one condition must match. Source of options. Select where the filter options are derived from, like attributes, category, tag, taxonomy, or stock status. Category. Now, choose the categories that you have created in product categories. Display. Choose how the options are displayed. All, only parent, only selected, or except selected. Order by. Set the order of the options, by name, order, or count. Display rules. Set the rule to control where the filter appears. For example, category equals, and now select the category. Once the settings are added, click on the Apply button. Once the filters are applied, click on the Save button to save the filters. Let's preview our filter on the shop page to see how it works. Now, as you can see, our price filter and category filter are successfully applied to the shop page. That's it. In this video, you have learned how to configure individual filter elements. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.